Hi everyone, it's Josh from airconditionerlab.com. I've been using window seal kits for years on many window types. These seal kits provide a secure way to let AC hoses vent heat out without allowing it back into your freshly cooled room. There are a few different types of window seals that can help keep the heat out while your AC works its magic. I've linked a few of my favorites down below. Today, I'm going to lay out a few common window seal types. Let's get started. Casement windows are often a little awkward to seal because of how they open. Casement window seals provide a customizable, flexible barrier that compresses and travels with the window as you open and close it normally. They are typically made of a flexible polymer fabric and zippers. For adhesive-type casement kits, you stick one side of the fabric to your window sash and the other to the frame. No awkward measuring or panel cutting needed. Then you just zip it most of the way closed, stick the end of your hose through the gap, and zip the rest of the way. You can even add zip ties for added seal and security. My top casement seal kit is the HOOMEE brand's range of air conditioner seals, which come in 6 sizes, ranging from 210 to 600 centimeters or 83 inches to 236 inches. I was particularly impressed with the dual zippers that could accommodate dual hose ACs as well as single hose models. Plus, it has a drawstring closure system for added heat infiltration prevention. Dual hose AC units need window seals with 2 openings, one to draw cool air in and the other to let hot air out. That's where dual seal plates come in. Dual seal plates come with 2 pre-cut panel sections with built-in grommets, gaskets, or compressors designed to create a tight seal around each hose. Once you've adjusted the plates to suit the length of your window, you typically need to attach them via heavy-duty taping, Velcro edges, or screw mount bracketing. Dual seal plate sealing kits take the guesswork out of installation. You just cut 2 holes, mount the plates, and mount your hoses. These plates then do an excellent job of preventing hot air from getting into your space. When I need to vent my dual hose AC, Gulrear's seal plates are my go-to. I love that the multi-piece telescopic panel is adjustable from 25 to 60 inches long, and that the outlets can take 5.9 and 5-inch hoses respectively. The card slot interlocks seamlessly, and this model even comes with an oval-shaped vent adapter as standard. Incredible! Single seal plates work the same way as dual seal ones, just with 1 pre-cut hole instead of 2. These are just as easy to install with no cutting panels or awkward zip fastens. My favorite single seal plate model by far is the TBesme. It's versatile enough to fit virtually any major brand's 5-inch hose. The rigid PVC construction is incredibly durable and innovative enough to seal lock windows between 18 and 48 inches long. Plus, its flush mounting design creates clean, snag-free installations, which is always a plus. Next up, we have sliding window seal kits. These window seals split in the middle to let the sashes glide via 2 interlocked gasket pieces. The airtight sealed middle glides with your window and still prevents heat infiltration. These seals are easy to install. All you need to do is adhere the gaskets to the window tracks. No measuring or cutting required. Setup is so quick and allows you to maintain full window functionality without compromising on heat sealing. My top sliding window seal is the Loviga AC window seal. This dependable model uses a combination of adjustable drawstring ties and Velcro ties to maintain a secure gap-free seal around the hose. I love how waterproof and heat insulating the material is and how easy it is to install. If you have an odd window setup that doesn't fit one of the solutions above, then you will likely need a custom seal made. If you are a handy person, you can try making one yourself. If you can afford the additional cost and prefer to get the experts to do it, reach out to a company like Martinson Manufacturing for a quote. When looking for the right window seal for you, you must consider the type of windows you have, how many hoses your air conditioner needs to vent, ease of installation, and durability. I've linked my favorites down in the description below to get you started. You can find even more window sealing and AC tips over on airconditionerlab.com. Thanks for listening, everyone. Cheers to staying cool year-round.